Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the BYD Destroyer 05 after 1 year of ownership. A brand new car can look impressive during a test drive, but the real question is what happened after months of everyday use. How is the fuel consumption? How is the battery performing? Has the car developed any problems? Is it still comfortable? And most important, would I buy the BYD Destroyer again? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the exterior. After 1 year, the overall design still looks modern and attractive. The headlight, body lines, wheels and front end design gives the BYD Destroyer 05 a sporty appearance. One thing I like about this car is the design look like a typical economy sedan. It has a more modern and futuristic design, which helps it stand out on the road. Now let's move inside. The interior still feels modern after years of use. The large central screen, digital instrument cluster and electric control gives the cabin a high-touch feeling. The important things after 1 year is one just how the interior looks when is it new, but how will everything hold up. The seats, steering wheel, buttons, screens and other frequently used areas should be checked carefully. In normal use, keeping the interior clean and available unnecessary wear can make a big difference over time. Now let's talk about the most important part of the car, the hybrid system. The BYD Destroyer uses BYD DMI technology, which combines electric driving with a gasoline engine. After 1 year, one of the biggest advances remains the smoothness of the hybrid systems. In city traffic, the car can feel very quiet and response when appearing on electric power. This makes stop and go driving much more comfortable. The gasoline engine provides additional flexibility for longer trips, so you don't have to depend entirely on charging stations. Now let's talk about the fuel consumption. This is one of the main reasons people are interested in Destroyer 05. Real world consumption depends on how you use the car. If you charge the battery regularly and use electric driving for shorter trips, gasoline consumption can be very low. But if you drive long distance, use high speeds, or don't charge the battery regularly, the gasoline engine will work more often and fuel consumption will increase. Your driving habits make a big difference. Now let's talk about battery after 1 year. Battery performance is one of the biggest concerns for many hybrid on electric car buying. After 1 year, the important things to monitor are charging performance, electric range, battery behavior, and whether there are any warning messages or unusual changes. A healthy battery should continue to provide predictable performance, although actual electric range will naturally vary depending on temperature, driving style, speed, and climate control use. Another advantage of DMI system is that the car doesn't completely depend on the battery for every journey. If the battery charge is low, the gasoline engine can continue to support the vehicle. Now let's talk about driving. This Destroyer 05 is mainly designed to provide a comfortable and efficient driving experience rather than extreme sport car performance. In the city, the electric response makes the car feel good when pulling away from traffic light. The ride is generally comfortable and the car feels easy to driving during every community. At high speed, the gasoline engine became more noticeable during strong acceleration, but for normal highway driving, the performance is adequate. After 1 year, another important area is maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for any vehicle, and a hybrid is no exception. Owners should pay attention to engine oil, filter, coolant system, tires, brakes, and the condition of the charging systems. It's also important to keep the vehicle software and electric systems up to date when official updates are available. No car is perfect, and the BYD Destroyer 05 is no exception. Some owners may experience electric issues, software-related problems, charging connect, or small interior and comfort-related issues. However, not every car will have the same problems. That's why the best approach is to check the individual vehicle carefully rather than assume that every Destroyer 05 will develop the same issue. If you're buying a used car, check the service history, battery condition, charging system, hybrid appearance, warning light, brakes, suspensions, tires, and electric making a design. Now let's talk about biggest advantages after 1 year. The first advantage is the fuel efficiency, especially when the battery is charged regularly. The second, smooth electric driving experience. The third, amount of technology are equipped you get of the money. And the fourth is the flexible of the hybrid system for both city driving and longer trips. But there are also disadvantages. The available of parts and qualified service can be improved depending on your country. The software and electronics future may also take some time to understand, and if you cannot charge the battery regularly, you may not get the full benefit of the plug-in hybrid system. So after 1 year of the BYD Destroyer still worth buying. For someone who wants to economical hybrid sedan with modern technology, comfortable city driving, and the flexible of the gasoline engine, I think it remains an interesting option. But I would not recommend buying it without checking local service support, spare parts available, variant condition, and the actual condition of the specific. And now came the biggest question: would I buy the BYD Destroyer 05 again? If the main priority are low running costs, comfortable city driving, modern technology, and hybrid flexible, then yes, I can still make a lot of sense. But the final discussion should always depend on your driving condition and how much access you have to charging and reliable service. What do you think about the BYD Destroyer 05 after 1 year? Would you buy one, or would you choose another hybrid such as a Toyota Prius or Corolla hybrid? BYD Destroyer after 1 year. Let me know in the comment. If you enjoyed this real owner review, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more BYD reviews, maintains video, real world tests, and car tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.